This simple sheet can make your window 100% private in 10 minutes. Watch this. The tools required are any shampoo, clean cloth or sponge to clean the glass, paper cutter, scale or ruler, marker, spray bottle, and silicone window wiper. If you don't have a wiper, you can also use an old credit card, and of course, the frosted privacy window film. Fill a spray bottle with water and add a few drops of shampoo. Then mix it well. Before cutting, use a marker and ruler to mark the exact measurements on the sheet. Now cut the frosted sheet according to the window size, and make sure to leave a little extra length. Start by cleaning the window glass thoroughly. To remove any dust or stains, use the shampoo mixture to clean. Now peel off the backing layer from the film and spray the shampoo mixture evenly on it. Now place the sheet onto the glass and carefully adjust it so it fits perfectly. The shampoo mixture stops the film from sticking immediately, which allows you to reposition and adjust it properly. After positioning the sheet correctly, use a wiper or squeegee to remove the water mixture trapped between the film and the glass. Finally, use a paper cutter to neatly trim away any extra film from the edges. After completing the installation, allow it to dry for around 30 minutes to ensure a proper finish. And here's the final results. Simple, clean, and perfect for privacy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jam Creative Studio for more DIY projects.